area bounded by the region. So problem 2 I am going to write. Problem 2. What is problem? Integral, application of integrals, problem 2. Problem 2 is to find the area. Problem 2. Problem 2, application of integral, area of bounded regions. Find the area. Find the area. Find the area of the region. Of the region xy, function of x and y, and this is equal to x square. How is x square? X square greater than is y greater than equal to x square and less than equal to greater than equal to, that is x square, that is greater less than equal to x, then this. It is the problem. Now we are considering the equation solution. What is the solution here? Solution is solution equal to the equations are the equations. What is the equations? Equations equal to y equal to x square. It is equal to marked as 1 and y equal to and y equal to x. It is the question number 2. Now y equal to x square equal to y square is an upward parabola. That means parabola y square equal to 4x, then y square equal to minus 4x, x square equal to 4ay, and x square equal to minus 4ay. So minus 4ay. It is this one, it is this one, it is this one, it is this one. So y equal to x square is an upward parabola, is an upward parabola, and y equal to x is a line passing through. Y equal to what passing is a line passing through 0, 0, passing through 0, 0. Now we solve. Now solving 1 and 2. You are solving 1 and 2.